All right, hi, welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran here. So this is another video for my First Amendment peeps. We have an ongoing video about the First Amendment and some of the exceptions to the First Amendment. As I try to tell people, the First Amendment is not absolute. You can't yell fire in a crowded theater, okay? So, but one we've been going back with is this concept of hate speech. Number one, what is hate speech? And two, is it against the law? And so, technically, no, there is no prohibition against hate speech if you want to run around and engage in that kind of thing. But I do want to point out some things. No, of course, you shouldn't do that. But I want to point out, for example, just another one. This is the California DMV. They have special interest license plates. And so people will say, well, I can do hate speech. I can do whatever I want. It's free speech, First Amendment. And I say, well, you have things like this. And this is just to give you something to think about, as we're building up our First Amendment channel here. But if you come down here and you want to get a personalized license plate, okay, a license plate that you put on your car, you drive around in the public, maybe you want to say whatever you want to say, okay? Pick your word, pick your phrase. And you would say that this is a governmental entity, they receive, that's run and funded by the government, that you would have free speech, First Amendment constitutional rights, baby. But you come down here, for example, and it asks you, actually tells you right here, they ask you for the meaning. Where do we have that here? The meaning right here. Do you see that? Right where I'm doing over my cursor, it says meaning, your first choice, second choice, third choice. They want to know, what does it mean? Okay, and you say, well, why would they want to? Who cares? I have First Amendment. I can say whatever I want. But then you read right here, and it tells you DMV has the right to refuse any combination of letters or letters and numbers for any of the following reasons. It could be considered offensive to good taste and decency in any language or slang term. So they're telling you if it's offensive, in bad taste, or sounds like a negative slang term, that you could pick a word that could conceivably not be approved. And so I only ask the question, is that free speech? Is that a potential bar to hate speech? Something for you First Amendment peeps to answer. Give me your comments down below. I know you guys got some great ideas. Keep it clean, keep it friendly. This is a friendly channel here, and we're just trying to learn things and think about our law and our society and some of the things that are out there, and in particular, the First Amendment. If you need help with a First Amendment case or anti-SLAPP, those kinds of issues, you know where to find me. AttorneySteve.com, the first name in legal services. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is general legal information only and not legal advice. Gotta run. Dinner's on the table. See you later.